The SEC came out the other day and actually delayed, again, the VanEck Bitcoin ETF decision. This is like a decision that they just keep banning. It seems like every single time someone wants to have a Bitcoin or Ethereum ETF in the US, they're like, nah, we don't think it should happen just yet. We can't control what's going on with Bitcoin and Ethereum. There's no way for us to actually control the market, or regulate it. We don't want to be a part of it. It's just like typical regulators in the US. They don't have control. There's no way to control it. So that's the main reason why, according to the president, one of the presidents of the ETF store, he told CoinDesk that in rejecting numerous Bitcoin ETF applications, the SEC has continually stated concerns over fraud and manipulation in the underlying Bitcoin spot market. The SEC is worried they don't have proper surveillance over crypto exchanges and therefore can't ensure adequate investor protections are in place. This is exactly the reason why crypto is created. People are saying, SEC is worried they can't regulate crypto, so they're not going to pass Bitcoin or Ethereum ETFs right now. They're not going to approve them. They don't understand that the whole reason that Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, Dogecoin, all of these were created to be decentralized, to not have the big people, to not have governments, not have any sort of centralized bank or centralized organization managing the crypto, scrutinizing it and looking at it. That's the whole point of this. So this doesn't make any sense. How long is the SEC going to be able to just keep pushing off these decisions? I don't know. What do you think? It just doesn't make any sense. It goes directly against crypto. The whole reason that they are worried about approving a Bitcoin or Ethereum ETF is because of the underlying factors of Bitcoin. They're worried about Bitcoin and Ethereum because of the fact that they can't control it. That's why they're not approving it. So eventually they'll have to approve a Bitcoin and an Ethereum ETF with enough demand from institutional investors, from retail investors. We're already seeing this. But at this point, they are just trying to stay as far away as they can from Bitcoin and Ethereum because they're like, look, we just can't control this. So what they did is they extended the decision even further. This is the second time they've extended the review period. And you guys can see right here, this is the official documentation, June 16th, 2021. In this document, it explains how right now they delayed decision the first time on April 28th, 2021. They delayed that. It was originally supposed to already have taken place, but they delayed it. They said, look, we're not ready. Approving a Bitcoin, Ethereum ETF, a little too risky. It might encourage illicit activities, illegal activities. It might encourage market manipulation, and there's no way to regulate that. Now what they did is this is the second time they have delayed this, and really all they're doing, in my opinion, all that I think, is that they are making this that a lot of institutions are going to be looking elsewhere in other countries to invest in Bitcoin, Ethereum ETFs. For example, I don't know if you guys have seen, but actually Canada the other day has already had multiple ETFs approved for Bitcoin, Ethereum. Canada has approved these back in, I believe, April of 2021. They have 3 or 4 Bitcoin and Ethereum ETFs already approved. They have the Purpose Investments Bitcoin ETF, the CI Global Asset Management ETF, and they also have the Evolve ETF. So all of these are Bitcoin and Ethereum ETFs that they have already approved. Bitcoin has, 3 Ethereum ETFs that they approved back in April. They already have a couple of Bitcoin ETFs. So all this is going to do, in my opinion, is make institutions just want to go over and invest their money elsewhere, not keep it in the US and US companies. They're going to want to invest it in the Canadian stock market, Toronto Stock Exchange. Also look at other ways of just getting exposure to Bitcoin and Ethereum. So I don't know, but it just doesn't make any sense. Doesn't make any sense in my mind. They should just go ahead and approve these because we know they're going to do it at some point. Like, it's going to happen. It's just a matter of when is it going to happen? When are they finally going to realize that, look, they can't have their hand in everything. They can't just control what's going on. It's impossible. There's no central organization that can control Bitcoin and Ethereum. So they're just going to have to get over it. Just going to have to get over it and say, look, people want this. Just let everyone invest in what they want to. Everyone knows that there's risk to investing in Bitcoin. Everyone knows there's risk to investing in Ethereum. And just let it be already. Let it be. That's what I think. It's ridiculous. But anyways, that's what's going on with institutions. They are trying to, push back that Bitcoin ETF decision again. It's like getting to be old news, getting just to be annoying that they're canceling the decision over and over again.